close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a hair review. If it's your first time here, my name is Chelsea. So today is a hair review. This hair you're seeing right here, I tied it. Yeah, I have filmed how I installed the hair. By the way, this video is sponsored by Niawigs. Thank you so much, Niawigs, for sponsoring this video. So guys, this hair is so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Let me wet it for you guys to see. It's so gorgeous, guys. You can see the coils. You can see the coils of this hair. You can see I did the unboxing of the wig. I'm going to put the clip of the unboxing, how the hair came, everything. I'm going to put the clip for you guys to see. So and the installation, how I got into this stage that you're seeing right here, I'm going to put it as well. I have to like tie it so that my front hair can flatten a little, because my front hair is a little bit damaged. I'm trying to grow them because this wig is U Part Wig. So, and I did the center party. I'm going to unloose this for you guys to see. So let me lose it. Wow, this is the wig. So guys, that is the hair. As you can see, how gorgeous is this hair. The coils are so defined. You can see bouncing. There's nothing else I will tell you guys about this hair. The hair is so good. It's just like your natural hair, 100% like your natural hair. You can do whatever you want with this hair. There is no problem. And I would like to answer some of the questions you might be asking. How long after ordering will it take my package to arrive? I tell you, this was shipped to me by DHL and it took 2 days just for the wig to arrive. Then you might ask, is it free shipping or do I have to pay for shipping? I will tell you, yes, it is free shipping. This hair will be shipped to you freely. You don't have to pay for shipping. And you might ask, can I color, straighten or style this hair? Yes, the answer is yes. You can color the hair, you can straight iron the hair, you can straighten the hair, you can heat the hair, you can style the hair the way you want, because this is 100% natural hair. As you see, even if you want to straighten these coils, you want to make this wig as a straight weave on, I tell you, you can do that. If you want to change the color, you can change the color as well to whatever color that pleases you. Like I have said, the hair is natural hair, 100% natural, like your real human hair. That is it for this hair. And what about the sizes? You don't have problem about the sizes. If you want to choose your size, they have a size guide. Just go to the size guide and choose your perfect size for you. So that is it about this hair. Don't hesitate. If you want to get this hair, I guarantee you this hair is perfectly okay and is 100% natural hair. And also, I still want to add that there was nothing like shedding. That is a good point. And let's talk about the packaging. It is just wow. The packaging is wow. Discover Beauty is written at the back. Discover Beauty. Niawigs, how cute is this packaging? Let's talk about the packaging. First of all, they put this one. When you open this, is the hair. Came out like this. I have opened it before. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of it. Then it came with a wig brush. It came with bobby pins, and it came with extra straps, how do they call them, pins, this as well, and they put it in this bag. So it's written on it, we live only to discover beauty, or else is a form of waiting. So that is it. And this is the wig. You put it in a plastic bag. Yeah, this is it. The color is 1B natural color. Is U Part human hair wig. The hair is U Part human hair wig. They have different sizes. They have medium, they have small, they have large, they have medium, small, large, and custom. So those are the size they have. And it's open side. They have their open side part. They have medium part, they have left part, and they have right part. We're going to cut this out of it. You have to remove this from it, this rubber band. Just have to cut this. You cut the other side as well. As you guys can see, my edges are damaged. I'm trying to regrow my edges. If you like, you can put your hair in a curl. Me, I do it this way. I think it's faster for me because to install this hair will not take you more than 2 minutes to install it. If you are that type that can curl your hair, you do it. But if you can't, I'm just trying to tell you that even without doing curl on your hair, you can install this U Part wig very easily. Even as a beginner, you can do that. Those white things you're seeing on my hair are my edge control cream that I applied on my hair. And that is it. You can see that to install this U Part wig is very, very easy, very, very simple to do. Even as a beginner, you can do it. You see, this is, if you have long hair, this is for you. That your hair is full, you put, when you wear this U Part wig, they don't know that you are even wearing wig. And the coils are so gorgeous. You can see the coils, they are well defined. If you wet it, they will define them more. You understand? And I like the way it's puffy like this. I like the way, because I like when my coily hair is big. So that is why I did not so much wet the hair, as you guys can see. And I put it in center part. They have side part, they have middle part, they have right side part, they have left side part. So yeah, this one is supposed to be right side part, but I decided, because of my hair, because of the hair I have that is not too good, I was trying to do it, I couldn't figure it out. I had to put it on my right side, so I decided to put it on middle, which means even if you get the one for side part, right side part or left side part, you can still position it in the middle. So that is it. This is the hair, as you guys can see. You guys see, I'm feeling myself doing shakara with this hair. I love this hair so much.
Saying he's in a phase, so now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart.
So if you want to get this hair, I'm going to leave all the information about the hair, their website, everything about the hair on the description box. So if you're interested, you can check it out. I guarantee you the hair is very good. You can see, and it's human hair. You can see the coils, and the length I'm wearing right now is 16 inches, and it looks so long. So that is it for this video. Thank you once again, Niawigs, for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate. I can't wait to do more sponsorship with you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and click on that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by supporting your girl, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. As for the shipping of the hair, I forgot to tell you guys that it's worldwide shipping. Wherever you are, if you are in Africa, you are in the US, you are in Europe, wherever you are, they can ship to you with DHL. It will take 2 days to arrive where you are. I hope you try this out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.